Welcome to another awesome episode of the Hackabillies. It's not 3 a.m. Thank you, Lord, it's not raining yet. But we're out here, hot day, 90-degree day here in August in Indiana, and we're with the car again. We do have a proposition for you all viewers. If you enjoy us making content and you want to help us out, want to support us, sponsor us, we got an email now. Email's in the description. Hit us up. We'll shout you out on everything, all Instagrams, all on the videos, and who knows, we might even get your logo right here, and maybe you'll see it at a racetrack one day. So yeah, don't forget. Well, I think the pausing might have been why the sound was messed up last video, so I'm not going to actually pause, but I'm going to pause. Let's go subscribe right now. I'm going to count down from 5. And if you don't subscribe in that 5 seconds, I don't know what's going to happen. Alright, you better subscribe. And yeah, sponsor us, please.
So today the plan is, if you saw the last video, we got the hood pin, 1 foot hood pin in. We're going to go get a nut for the other one probably today. What else did we do? Valve cover gasket. So far so good, no leaks.
You can't see it from the big nut. What headlight working?
Yep. But we're going to kind of just tidy up some things, and we are going to try to install a temp gauge today. It seems like it's getting warm, but our temp gauge doesn't work now on the cluster. So I think these came stock with a 195 thermostat. We may have to drop that to a 180, but we're going to install a temp gauge just so we can keep an eye on it.
How's she going?
And the e-brake still doesn't work, so we got to figure that out. I think it's the cable, because the actuators aren't moving at all. So.
Look at this perfect dusty dirt that I have found.
That's awesome.
It really is.
You want to hop in, go for a ride down there? I'll let you drive this one. Buckle up for safety. Oh, hey. Speaking of safety, we forgot our helmets, but we're not full sending it right now.
We'll buy goggles. I can get goggles for my helmet, and then I will wear my helmet every time I drive something crazy. I promise.
We're not really going crazy today, so yeah. Anyway. Guess the only thing we're gonna properly wire the fuel pump switch, not directly from the battery. Don't ever do that. We did it. It's got a pipe this long. Don't do that. We're gonna wire it off of an addable circuit here. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna add a switch for the headlights. We're gonna add a switch for the radiator fan. So then everything will be semi-proper. Not quite a fire hazard that it is now.
It's way bigger than that, you stupid idiot.
What are you working on? Yeah.
Well, truthfully, I don't know anything about this. So I just do what Ben tells me to do.
That's right.
So I'm putting the plugs in right now and tightening them down. And yeah.
So we're not going to be able to do the thermostat stuff today and
Do this fast.
wire the fan to a
This is gonna be
switch.
way too different.
Yeah.
Big?
No, it fits it.
Cameraman.
Yeah, but
Yeah, he's pretty good cameraman.
Here we have 2 more switches, but technically we're only going to wire 1 in today.
And
We need to add 1 more add a circuit. But O'Reilly's didn't have all the parts that we needed.
oh, Felice, don't sponsor us.
they sponsor
Yep.
your corn, remember?
Technically, they did sponsor C4 Corn. If you remember that, anybody watching that remember that, they did sponsor us for that. So I take it back. Sponsors, O'Reilly. I love you.
But just send
Just
us
have
the
right
parts that we
at the right
need.
time,
Yeah.
please.
You zooming in on me?
Oh, I'm zooming on the thing you're putting in.
Okay. This is totally the right way to do this. We got to put 1 more in, right?
No, we're only doing 1 today. Remember,
we're doing
just for the
2.
lights.
No, that was for the fuel pump.
Huh?
We've got 1 for the fuel pump and 1 for lights.
But we're only... The fuel pump's already plugged in.
No, we are not hooking it to the battery anymore because that's wrong.
Oh, yeah. I do remember that.
Stop it.
Hard at work there.
Don't put that in the video either.
Huh?
Don't put it in the what?
Don't put that in the video.
It ain't going. I ain't even recording, boy.
You know?
All right. Well, we got we cleaned out some of this just now. It's still hot, and we put switches on for the headlight.
So now we have
A headlight because only 1 works, and change the switch to the fuel pump.
turn the key on, please.
Oh yeah. So it gets the right amount of voltage. And what was the other switch for?
Oh,
We didn't hook it up yet.
we're gonna wire in the radiator fan, but the white radiator fan. That's right.
Yep, and yeah, we're under tornado watch, so we're gonna go ride this thing.
Yep. Here goes Hackabilly Dub. This is kind of the first rip he's had in the car in a while.
Over a month.
I actually think that car runs better
I
now.
don't even think he did it in July. I don't think he drove it by himself in July, so it's over a year.
Yeah. I actually think it was running smoother with the not being wide open on the fuel pump all the time.
Yeah.
Or seemed like it did.
Yeah, we'll see. See if he hurts himself or us.
Oh, the other thing that we forgot to say is we got the other hood pin in,
Got the other hood pin in.
and it looks professional now.
Yeah. He is giving her all he's got. Oh my God.
Giving her hard there. Oh, he's good. Out of gas. We'll be back. I'm gonna go get a couple cans, fill it up. I'm good. I can barely see. Put her in D. Oh, he's wide opener. Oh, he's being conservative. Look at all that. How was it?
Fun. Sponsor us so I can get better goggles, please.
I think it's faster.
It definitely sounds or feels like it. It's crazy. About hit a few deer, you know. Well,
All right.
Not me, but
This thing just running so good.
it's so much fun. I think it's illegal, which it might be. Alright, ready? Alright, thanks for watching another awesome episode. It's just kind of just like the other one, honestly. We drove the car around, we showed you the new corner that I found, put the other hood pin in. We made the headlight be connected correctly.
Fuel pump's connected
correctly. And yeah, like we said in the beginning, there's a Gmail email down in the link in the description. Click that, talk to us, hit us up, and you could get your name on the front of the car.
Anything else? I don't think so. We still got a couple things to do on this, but we'll get back to it on the next one.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Oh, I messed it up. Ring the bell, don't hit it. Ring it. Woo! See you in the next one, boys and girls.